dahil ako po ay pinapapatay ni dating Pangulong Duterte.
Eh, kung pinapatay kita, bakit buhay ka pa ngayon? Bago ko sagutin yung ano mo sir, kung may kasalanan man ako, tayo kung pumunta ng impyerno. Oh my God! Wow! Salamat po. Pastor ko man sir, tulungan mo na lang ako.
Mr. Chair, hindi po ito confessional, ano po, ito po ay quadcom hearing.
Pagdasal, well, of course, you have a dual, pagdasal mo na lang rin ako, sir, kasi alam mo man talaga na
Mr. President,
trabaho lang yan.
bago niyo po sabihin niya, pinagdadasal ko po kayo.
Ha?
Totoo po yun, totoo po yun. Hindi po dasal na ama namin, ha? Hindi po dasal na our Father. Ito po ay dasal coming from the heart.
Sabi kasi na ano, sir, na ipakontempt ako, so, siya, sir,
Are you done, Congressman Abante?
ikaw yan, sir, nagsabi na, we will cite him in contempt.
Ang angas mo.
Contempt, sir, priso yan, eh.
Mr. Chairman.
The next to interpolate, yes, Congressman Paduano.
The former president is not yet recognized in telling this committee and me to cite you in contempt. I never cited you in contempt.
Mr. Chair, Mr. President, bilang akusado, naniniwala po ba kayo na you and your co-accused deserve a fair day in court?
I am not an accused, and whoever you are pointing to as the other accused. So I cannot answer your question intelligently.
Answer to the question, perhaps I'd like to direct this question to Attorney Chel Jokno. Attorney Chel, ano po ang rights of the accused sa ICC?
Parehas lang po sa mga karapatan ng isang akusado dito sa atin. The right to fair trial, the right to due process of law, the right to remain silent, the right against self-incrimination, the right to confront witnesses and cross-examine them. Halos magkatumbas po yan.
So kung magkatumbas po, kasama po dito, Mr. Chair, Mr. Attorney Jokno, yung they are innocent until proven guilty.
Yes, the presumption of innocence also, yes.
Thank you very much, Attorney Jokno.
Could you name those 7 people? Kung pwede nyo po ipangalan yung 7 members ng DDS na yan po.
Members ng DDS,
Your personal civilian DDS, which you mentioned is apparently counter-insurgency force.
apparently, even if they exist, why would I tell you the names now to you? Ang tingin mo sa akin, stupido?
Mr. President, because we're in an investigation in aid of legislation and we're ruling out that if they are in
Mag-legislate kayo.
the drug war,
Huwag mo akong isali dyan because I would be putting the people in danger. Yung inyong legislation, mine is law and order. We are far apart in our discussion dito. Biro mo, bigay mo yung pangalan mo, you put the family and the persons in danger.
Know the reason why you withdrew from the International Criminal Court?
It's a silly court.
I'm sorry, sir?
It's a silly
It's
court.
a silly... okay. It's a silly court.
Walang ginawa yan. Wala namang nakulong.
1993, binomba po ang St. Peter's Cathedral, Davao City, where 7 died. Nalala niyo po ba ito, Mr. President?
Yung simbahan, ma'am.
Opo, St. Peter's Cathedral in Davao
Yes, ma'am.
City. At sangayon po kay Arturo Las Cañas, kayo ay galit na galit sa pangyayaring ito.
Sinong hindi magalit, ma'am?
At dahil po sa inyong mahigpit na galit, ay inorderan niyo po itong sina Las Cañas na bombahin ang mga moske kasama po ang Kamamara Mosque at Bancorehan Mosque. What can you say about this?
Crazy, ma'am. Do you know that my mother is a Muslim? That's an idiot statement.
In other words, you are denying.
Of course.
But I just want to inform this body of what the Easter bombing is all about. Because the Honorable Congressman Luistro mentioned about it. And she insinuated that as a result of the Sunday bombing, former President Duterte caused the bombing of Muslim mosques, which is not true because at that time, Your Honor, he was just a fiscal of Davao City.
Okay,
I
salamat
know
po.
that, Your Honor, because I was the one who investigated this incident upon the direction of the Integrated Bar of the Philippines. So, for the record, Congressman Luistro, Mayor Duterte or President Duterte was a fiscal at the time of the bombing of the San Pedro Cathedral.
Okay,
It is
thank you.
not true.
Thank you, Attorney
It was
Bello.
mayor.
Your manifestation is noted.
Mr. Chair, hearing that, ibig sabihin po ba ay willing ang dating Pangulo na isubject yung sarili sa investigation and all processes na gagawin ng ICC in relation din sa kanyang war on drugs?
Bigyan mo ako ng pera, ako nang punta ng ICC doon. Ako na mismo mag-imbestiga doon. Ang tagal nila. Hurry up!
Wait a minute. Who are you?
Kasi baka matanda na ako, mamatay ako. You might miss the pleasure of seeing me being standing before the court and hearing the judgment, whatever may be.